Hey guys, you ever have a headlight out just like that one right there? Well, today I'm going to show you how to replace your headlight bulbs in under 60 seconds. So let's get started. First, you want to locate your light bulb, and you can see right here on the Mustang, it's really simple. Now, there is a clip here. This clip is very fragile, especially on older cars, because it's brittle plastic. So be careful as you lift it up with your fingers. We're going to lift it up and push it back just like that, and it comes right out. Now, there's a little collar here. You can see this collar. What we're going to do here with this collar is spin it. Perfect, and that loosens up the bulb, and now we could pull the bulb out. So the bulb comes right out just like that. Beautiful. So this is our broken bulb. We could pull it out and not have to worry about anything. Just like that. Good. And then notice which direction the collar goes. So we put it in just like that. So out with the old and in with the new. Now when you're grabbing your new light bulb, do not touch the lens. Do not touch the glass part of the bulb, because you don't want to get your oils on there, which could damage the bulb. And remember how this goes on, just like that. And then now we could go and install this in there without touching the bulb. It's very important we don't touch that bulb. So you just get it in place, just like that. And then now put that collar on there. Turn it and lock it in, and now the bulb's locked in. And finally, we want to get our connector, get it on there, and push it in till it snaps. Beautiful, we are done. All right, now let's see if the lights are working. And beautiful, both headlights are working. But even though that one's working, always replace headlights in pairs. That's why there's two in here. That way it's the same brightness, and also since that one just went out, that one is probably not too far after. So always replace in pairs, and that's how you replace the light bulb.